If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can modify the IDs assigned to records within the Maintain windows in Sage 50 Accounting. To change a record's ID in Sage 50 Accounting, open the corresponding Maintain window for the selected record type. For example, open the Maintain Chart of Accounts window to change an account ID. Next, select the ID of the record to change from the ID dropdown at the top of the window. Then, click the Change ID button in the toolbar at the top of the window and assign the item a new ID code in the Change ID window that then opens. Then click OK after entering the new ID code. To save the changed record, click the Save button in the toolbar. Note that if you do this, all transactions associated with the old ID code then change to reflect the new ID code, including both old and new transactions. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.